Hello and welcome to another exciting episode of Monumental. We're on Series 2, Episode 39, and we're on the bonus episodes now, and we are in North Wales, and we're going to have a look at the Panorama Road above Llangollen. One beautiful driving road, part of my Great Driving Roads for Great Britain series. The panoramic walk runs between Pontcysyllte and Llangollen, and it's a 2.8 mile route of beautiful scenery, and we are going to take a front seat drive. So we are off. So the best place to start this journey, you could walk it or drive it, is at the end of Blackwood Road in Garth, which is just outside Pontcysyllte. So that's where we are now. That's where we're heading now. We've just come off that road and we're going to head into the beautiful forest here. So this is the first bit you see, is this lovely forest. There's a lovely track that leads you down towards the canal. But you can start to see the sun just wanting to break through. The woods to the left hand side is just simply known as Witch's Wood. So as we come out of the shade, we are presented with the beautiful Dee Valley, which stretches off to the left hand side. To the right, all of that area is the mountain. There's also lots of walks and stuff to explore up there, but isn't it beautiful, that beautiful blue sky and those clouds? It makes it look epic. From here you're presented with the most beautiful view down the valley. In the near distance you can see Castle Dinas, which is Llangollen Castle. There are a couple of hairpin bends on this route, but look out for them. On the right hand side now you can see the access into the quarry and up onto the mountain. There's a bit of a footpath going up there, so if you can find a little space around there, that'll give you access to that area. There are some amazing overnight park-ups here, such as this one on the right hand side. You can park, there are various sort of car parks along here, but it does get busy during the day. The road going down to the right takes you back to the A539, which is the road into Llangollen and into Pontcysyllte. It's a bit of a narrow road, but it does take you back down to the main road. Well, you can start to see the epic hill that is Castle Dinas, the Llangollen castle. Now you can access this castle from this side. The walk isn't too bad up the hill. On the other side though, it is brutal, that hill climb there. But it is a great sort of route if you want to go up over there, then walk back to the canal to Pontcysyllte. That's the kind of circular route I normally do. If you take the next left, that will take you right back down to Llangollen, but you can also access the castle by just going down the road and turning right through the field. You'll see the track. Nearly all of this track through here is single carriageway, and it means that you meet vehicles like this and you have to have a bit of patience, so do not park in the passing places, just it causes a nightmare for everybody else. Now as we go along here now, we start on the right hand side to skirt the mountain, and that's what we do for another sort of half a mile or so. But absolutely on the top of that mountain the views are amazing. Now you can get across to Horseshoe Falls this way or the Horseshoe Pass. I really hope you guys like the Panorama Road. This has been an absolute top route for me to pass through Wales on, just for the scenic aspect alone, and that's why it's made it into my top driving roads. Now, if you want to see further videos in this series, then all you need to do is like and subscribe to the video and leave us a comment. Have you been on the Panoramic Road? Let me know. Other than that, you guys take care, have a good day, and don't forget, Series 3 is coming soon.